Welcome to my 3-Minute English Today channel.
Hi everyone. Have you ever felt your heart racing? Your mind going blank just because you had to say a few sentences in English? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world feel scared to speak English, even when they understand almost everything they hear. That fear usually comes from inside our own heads. We worry, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? Or they'll think my accent is terrible. These are what we call irrational beliefs. Thoughts that feel real but aren't actually true. The truth is, most native speakers don't care if your grammar isn't perfect. They really appreciate that you're trying to communicate. In fact, making mistakes is one of the fastest ways to improve. Every time you speak and get corrected, or even just keep going, your brain learns and gets stronger. So how do you fight that fear? Start small. Order your coffee in English. Say hello to a colleague. Join a language exchange group online where everyone is learning. No judgment. Just practice. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute about your day, then listen back. You'll be surprised how much better you sound than you think. Remember, confidence doesn't come first. It comes after you start speaking. The more you do it, the less scary it feels. Your self-perception changes from "I'm bad at English" to "I'm getting better every day." And here's a little secret. Even people who seem super fluent were once nervous beginners. They just kept going. So next time that voice in your head says, "Don't speak," you'll embarrass yourself, answer back, "No, I'm going to try anyway." Because every word you say is a step forward. You've got this. Speak English today, even if it's just one sentence. The fear gets smaller every single time. Thanks for listening, keep practicing, and see you next time.